S-Man in the building. So now, I went to nature and walked up in here with nothing on, like about 3 times. The second time that I've been to nature with nothing on, this is the third time. I had no boxers. I attempted to take off my boxers the first time, but I was afraid that someone would see me. But this is the third time that I'm going to nature with nothing on, and I want to stay right here because I don't want anyone seeing my what you call, because I'm putting this on YouTube. It would it would it would be inappropriate if I would record my my all naked self with no boxers on and putting that stuff on YouTube. I wanted to see how I felt to be in nature with nothing on. Nothing. Nothing. Not even these boxers. And motherfuckers can call this shit the show that some motherfuckers be watching on Discovery Channel. That Naked and Afraid shit. Call that shit Naked and Afraid. But I keep telling y'all over and over the fuck again. We did not have any of this stuff, not even boxers. We did not have any of that stuff when the earth was natural and we humans first existed. I just got through meditating, and I should go meditate some more. Y'all can call this shit Naked and Afraid, but just know that we had none of these issues when the earth was all natural until these motherfucking demons came and invaded our shit. They invaded our shit. And they're not from here. Let me calm down. This earth was our hood. Now, I don't want to pull the Project Pat. Project Pat. Y'all know Project Pat, the rapper. I don't need to pull the Project Pat to let y'all know that these aliens, these people that invaded Earth, are not from here. They are not from our hood. Come on now. And I'm damn sure that if anyone sees me up in here naked with no drawers on, they can call me crazy. They can call me all types of names. But I know that don't matter to me at all. None of that shit matters to S-Man. None of that shit matters to S-Man ever. S-Man won't let that faze him. But anyway, I hope y'all been taking care of yourselves. And I'm trying my best to take care of myself. I wanted to see how I feel to be in nature with nothing on. These motherfucking aliens have the nerve to come and get all up in the nature's grill. They have the nerve, the audacity to come and invade our shit. So I'm calling it today that for those of y'all that want to that those of y'all that want to call me crazy for being in nature with nothing on, y'all bots. Y'all bots. And y'all can get that shit out of my face. If y'all the chosen ones, I'm not talking to y'all. But anyway, I hope y'all take care of yourselves. I'm about to stay in nature with nothing on for as long as I can heal my shit. S-Man out.